Welcome back, kids. Today, we learn about natural disasters. Natural disasters are powerful events caused by nature that can have significant impacts on communities. Here's an overview of some natural disasters. Let's go, kids. Earthquakes, sudden shaking of the ground caused by movements beneath the Earth's surface. They can cause buildings to collapse and create cracks in the ground. Next is flood. Floods. When rivers, lakes, or oceans overflow, water covers land that is usually dry. Floods can damage homes and roads and are often caused by heavy rainfall or melting snow. Next is hurricanes. Hurricanes, large, powerful storms with strong winds and heavy rain that form over warm ocean waters. They can cause flooding, uproot trees, and damage buildings. Next is tornadoes. Tornadoes, violently rotating columns of air that extend from a thunderstorm to the ground. They can destroy buildings and flip cars. Next is wildfires. Wildfires, uncontrolled fires that spread quickly through forests, grasslands, or other natural areas. They can destroy homes and habitats and are often caused by lightning or human activity. Next is tsunamis. Tsunamis, large ocean waves caused by underwater earthquakes or volcanic eruptions. They can flood coastal areas and cause widespread damage. Next is landslides. Landslides, when rocks and soil move down a slope due to gravity, often after heavy rain or earthquakes. They can bury homes and roads. Next is droughts. Droughts, long periods without enough rainfall, leading to water shortages. They can harm crops, animals, and people who rely on water for daily needs. Next is blizzards. Blizzards, severe snowstorms with strong winds and low visibility. They can make travel dangerous and cause power outages. Next is sandstorms. Sandstorms, strong winds that blow large amounts of sand or dust into the air. Common in deserts and can reduce visibility and affect breathing. Next is avalanches. Avalanches, rapid flow of snow down a mountainside, often caused by heavy snowfall or disturbances in the snowpack. Next is heat waves. Heat waves, extended periods of excessively hot weather, can cause health issues like heat stroke and damage crops. Next is hailstorms. Hailstorms, storms that produce balls of ice called hail. Hailstones can damage crops, cars, and buildings. Next is epidemics. Epidemics, outbreaks of diseases that spread rapidly, affecting many people. Though not directly caused by nature, some are linked to environmental factors. Next is lightning strikes. Powerful bolts of electricity from thunderstorms can start fires and cause injuries or fatalities.
And to watch more learning videos, subscribe to our channel, like the videos, and visit our channel to watch more videos and learn. Please subscribe to the channel.